What's up, YouTube? Be back with it. Right now we're doing a little maintenance day. Started working my friend's car. He's got a new whip. It's a Honda Sonata. You know, a little cool, little starter car, first car. You know, I'm gonna be working on the car for him. It needs a new bumper, brakes. I'm about to do the brakes right now. Then pulled out new tail light. Oh, I think that's pretty much all the work that needs to be done to the car. So, but yeah, he got me working on everything. And we're gonna do a little maintenance day on my car as well, because you know, I really been chilling my car, just driving it. Really haven't done no maintenance for real. So I just got a fresh oil change from the dealership, and change my cabin air filter. I think I only need new rear brakes, and then that I'm cooling. I forgot what else I need to do. I think I need to do spark plugs as well. Spark plugs for sure. And spark plugs, brake pads, and I need to change my control arms as well. So everybody be working, little maintenance, and then yeah, once we get on the maintenance, we're gonna start building for power. But maintenance always comes first, so yeah, that's what we starting with. So you gotta remove both bolts from the caliper. So I mean, nothing crazy, but usually I just remove the top one and I flip it. But you really can't flip this junk. It's a lot going on. So yeah, it's the brake pads we use. Other brake pads was not bad at all, but BMW trying to finesse me, and I believe them. So no, this is a good 6 months left. 6 months. Good 6 months left, but we ain't even tripping. Air filter, pretty bad though, pretty dusty. Yeah, look at all that brake dust. All brake dust. Look at all that. Like, oh my goodness. Yo, BMW need to do something about this, bro. Rear brake pads, done. Air filter, done. Oil change, done. Everybody just complete the spark plugs. After we're done with the spark plugs, oh, I think I'm behind you. Hold on. After we're done with spark plugs, we're gonna be chilling. And then we're gonna go down by E, tune, big turbo. Alright, yeah, we're about to do all of that. So yeah, we're done with that. I know they sell spark plugs. You wanna like make sure they all look the same. Same color, I say. The tip is so you gonna know what problems you having. But yeah, they looking all the same. I think I went about 20,000 maybe. 20,000 without changing spark plugs. And the reason I held back on it is because I was to bingo, you know, upgraded parts. So I ain't upgraded any parts yet, so it's not really necessary. I thought I'm gonna just hold off on the spark plug so I get the, you know, upgraded parts. Upgraded part, big turbo, you know. So spark plug change supposed to be done every what, 10,000, 20,000 miles. Yeah, I know misfire, so it's 20,000, pretty good. Tell you, we come on our 10th one there. I think what 9th one there is for me with this car. No problems whatsoever. Successful spark plug change, little maintenance day, all done. Spark plugs don't look too crazy at all. Yeah, so lug nuts are off. So wheel off the car. Alright, so far look good. You got good tire thread. So you don't gotta worry about that anytime soon. Water don't look too bad either. His rudder's straight. Let his brake pads are straight. They not bad at all. I'm not gonna touch it. Alright, so I guess we just do an inspection today. Brake pads look pretty good though, so I'm not even gonna touch it. Yeah, rotors look good. See what else needs to be done. Struts don't look bad. Bushes not leaking. Steering rod don't look bad. Axles don't look bad. Subframe looks straight. Yeah, that's a good sign then. That's not good. As you can see, not too bad, not too shabby. You got enough. So we're not changing the brake pads today. You know, we just clean it up. Rotor don't look too bad. Got this little hot spot right here though, but rotor look good. Swell got some meat on it, so he good with that. We did break a few studs though, so 2 of them. I didn't break 2, I broke 1 of them, and the other one broke by itself when I came to look at it. So yeah, I want to get this part from Advanced Auto Parts, and yeah, everybody just lock this in real quick. That looks pretty good. Pretty good, pretty snug. Looking good, looking flush. Oh, we all good to go. Stay tuned, YouTube.